Hello students, welcome on my YouTube channel. I hope all of you quite well. Now we continue numericals which are based on concentration of solution. In previous two videos I have already done some numericals. Now today's first numerical is calculate the normality of 0.3 m of orthophosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid means, that is, in this question, molarity of orthophosphoric acid, it means H3PO4 equal to 0.3 m. Molarity of orthophosphoric acid equal to 0.3 m. Formula of orthophosphoric acid is H3PO4. It is a tribasic acid. We know that the basicity of H3PO4 equal to 3. We also know that relation between normality and molarity equal to X, where X equal to basicity of orthophosphoric acid. Here X equal to, that is the basicity of the orthophosphoric acid, equal to 3. Now normality equal to m into X, and m equal to 0.3 and X equal to 3, it is 0.9. That is the normality of 0.3 m of orthophosphoric acid equal to 0.9 n. I hope you understand to it. First of all, we know the relation between the normality and molarity. Normality upon molarity equal to basicity or acidity. In this question, molarity is given. Now we calculate the normality, and also we know basicity of the H3PO4 equal to 3. How it becomes? H3PO4 gives 3H plus ion. That is, it gives 3H plus ion. So the basicity of the orthophosphoric acid equal to 3. Now we put the value and find the answer, 0.9 m. Now next question is calculate the molarity of pure water, density of pure water equal to 1 gram per liter. It is the question. Calculate the molarity of pure water, density is given 1 gram per liter. It is very important question, and also asked in a objective type as question. The calculate the molarity or this type of questions asked in various exam. Directly ask the question, what is the molarity of the pure water? Molarity of the pure water equal to 55.55 or 55.56. But how it has been obtained? First of all, we know molarity equal to number of moles dissolved per liter. So first of all, we calculate the number of moles of water. Number of moles of water equal to weight of water divided by molecular weight of water. Now the density equal to mass upon volume. First of all, we calculate the mass of the water. Density equal to mass upon volume. Now mass of the water equal to D into V. Okay. D equal to 1. V volume per liter, that is 1000 milliliter. Now the mass of the water equal to, represented by m dash, equal to 1000 gram. Molecular weight of water equal to H2O equal to 2 plus 16 equal to 18. Is that clear? Now we calculate number of moles or molarity equal to molarity equal to weight of, write down from next phase. Now molarity equal to weight of water molecule divided by molecular weight of water molecule into V. Okay, so weight of water molecule equal to 1000, molecular weight of water double dash equal to 18, volume equal to 1 liter. Now we find the answer 55.55, or we can say 55.56. It is the correct answer. Now the molarity of pure water, if the density is 1 gram per liter, is always 55.55 or 55.56. Is that clear? I hope. If you like my video, then share and subscribe to my channel. Next question is now, I repeat again, calculate the normality of solution containing 31.5 gram of hydrated oxalic acid in 1250 ml of solution. Okay, now first of all we know the normality equal to, or we define as, number of gram equivalents dissolved per liter is known as a normality. Okay, number of gram equivalents can be calculated, that is weight of solute divided by equivalent weight of the solute is known as a gram equivalents. Now how we can calculate the equivalent mass, equivalent weight? Equivalent weight equal to molecular weight divided by acidity or basicity of base or acid. Okay, now we started the solution. In this question, weight of solute equal to, weight of solute is given 31.5 gram, volume of the solution 1250 ml. Now the formula of oxalic acid is, it is hydrated oxalic acid, that is COOH whole twice, it can be write dot 2H2O. It is the formula of oxalic acid. Formula of oxalic acid COOH, single bond COOH dot 2H2O, or it can be write like this. Molecular weight of this equal to, molecular weight of oxalic acid equal to 126 gram. You can be also calculated by using atomic mass of carbon, oxygen, and molecular weight of water. Now we calculate the basicity. Basicity equal to molecular weight, equivalent weight of oxalic acid equal to molecular weight divided by basicity. Molecular weight is equal to 126 and basicity equal to 2. Now equivalent weight of oxalic acid equal to 63. Now we use the formula normality equal to weight of solute divided by equivalent weight of solute, that is E into volume of the solution. The volume of the solution is milliliter, so one numerator is multiplied by 1000. Now we put the values. W in short form we can also write W, that is weight of solute, into equivalent weight into V into 1000. Now we put the values. Weight of solute equal to is given in question 31.5 gram. Equivalent weight of solute, that is oxalic acid, equal to 63. Volume of the solution 1250 milliliter. Now we solve and we got answer 0.4 N. Okay. Now answer is 0.4 and it is the answer. Next question is based on mole fraction. Okay. Mole fraction. What is the mole fraction of the solute? What is the mole fraction of solute in 2.5 m aqueous solution? First of all, we know what is the mole fraction. Mole fraction is defined as moles of component. It is the ratio of moles of specific component divided by total number of moles present in a solution is known as a mole fraction of specific component. As like, if solution is made up of solute and solvent, then mole fraction of solute equal to ratio of number of moles of solute to ratio of number of total number of moles present in the solution. As for example, if a solution containing A and B, that is A is the solute, B is the solvent, then mole fraction of solute equal to number of moles of A divided by number of moles of B. That clear? Okay. Now in this question, what is the mole fraction of the solute in 2.5 m aqueous solution? Here molarity is given of the aqueous solution. 2.5 m aqueous solution means that 2.5 moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of water, that is solvent, or 1000 gram of solvent in water, that is water. Now the moles of solute equal to 2.5 moles of water. Now we can calculate the moles of water equal to weight of water divided by molecular weight, 1000 divided by 18. We also know the moles of water equal to 55.6. Now the mole fraction of the solute equal to moles of solute divided by total number of moles in the solution. Moles of solute divided by total number of moles in solution. Now we put the values. Moles of solute equal to 2.5. Total number of moles in solution, that is solute plus solvent. Moles of solute equal to 2.5 plus moles of solvent equal to 55.6, that is water. Now on solving, 2.5 divided by 58.1. now his answer is 0.043. It is the mole fraction of solute. We know that. Now we can be calculated the mole fraction of solvent also. We know that the mole fraction equal to mole fraction of each component equal to, it is the sum of mole fraction of component equal to always 1, that is the mole fraction of solute plus mole fraction of solvent equal to 1. Now we calculate the mole fraction of solute. Now the mole fraction of water equal to 1 minus 0.043. It can also be calculated 0.957. Now the mole fraction of solute equal to 0.043. Mole fraction of solvent equal to 0.957. Now next question is, if 11 gram of oxalic acid are dissolved in 500 ml of solution, density of solution equal to 1.1 gram per milliliter, what is the mass percentage of oxalic acid in the solution? It is based upon mass percent. this question is based on mass percent. Okay, so first of all, density of the solution equal to 1.1 gram per milliliter, volume of the solution equal to 550 milliliter. Now we can calculate the mass of the solution. Mass of the solution equal to here's a mistake. Volume of the solution equal to 500 ml. Okay, now the mass of the solution equal to density into volume. Density equal to 1.1 and volume equal to 500. Now we multiply it. Now the mass of the solution equal to 550 gram. Mass of the oxalic acid is given in the question 11 gram. We know that what is the mass percent? Mass percent equal to mass of solute divided by total mass of solution, and numerator multiplied by 100 because in case of percentage. Now we put the formula: mass percent of oxalic acid equal to mass of oxalic acid into 100 divided by mass of solution. Mass of oxalic acid 11 gram into 100 divided by 550. Now we calculate, we get the answer 2%. 2% is the mass percent of oxalic acid in this question. Okay, thank you. We again meet after tomorrow. Thanks for watching my video.